There we go, that's the bat running. 25 psi. There's the water tank. No leaks. It's going really well. That's that. There's your whistle. Here, Owen. 3 cheers for Owen. It's running a bit wet because it's only at 30 psi, which is going lovely. It's all working. Put the glass in the windows. There you are. There's the glass in the windows. It's going really well. No problem at all. Just slow it down a bit. There we are at 40 psi, so I'm just going to turn the gas down a bit. There we are. He's very fast. He's very fast indeed. Here we are, 35 psi. Here's the whistle. There's your water tank. Hope you like that. Going great. Down to 20 now. Just ease off the throttle. There we go. Just a nice tick over. Oh, and I've turned the gas off. But anyway, that's great. It's working great now. Superb. Hope you like that. Okay, Owen. When you start her up, the first thing to do is look at the oiler, which is here. So if you unscrew that, and I will send you this gizmo here, and it's a syringe, and what it does is you put that down there and you can take all the water out of the oiler. Because water's heavier than oil, it will sink to the bottom, and you have to clear that out, because you can look at it and think it's full of oil when it's not, because 80% might be water. So you've got to really clear that out. And when you've done that, you can pour your oil in, and then use your thumb as a compression on the open tap, and that'll help the oil go down and take any airlocks out of that can. And then just keep topping it up until you put your thumb on it, and you know, the oil's not going back down, so it's not releasing any airlocks, and then you know you're full of oil. And then just tighten that up, and then that's job done. And then after that, I'm spilling everything. If you just get some oil on a bit of a tube like this, and if you just oil the bottom bearings like that, okay, and then the slide valve runners which are at the top, you'll see them, okay, and there's one there, look, and another one there. Hope it's in focus. Okay, and then the next thing to do is just fill the water up here. Okay, fill that up, fill it up so it's about halfway up on the glass sight glass here. And the next thing then is this will come out, so if you undo that little screw there on the gas tank, that will lift out and put it on a firm basis, and then just use this nozzle which I've got here, okay, and you just fill it upside down. So basically what you're doing is this, you're just filling it up like so, okay. You have to press down on that, that releases the valve, and fill it up, and just keep going till the tank gets cold, and then press it again, and then when you pull it off it should go tsh with the gas, and that'll tell you that it's full of gas, okay. And I think that's about it. So that's really all you have to do running the boat. I've cleaned all the boiler out, and I've also replaced the check valve ball in here, so that's all done now. So she's working great. So one just last look. There you go. I've got little jobs to do on it now tomorrow, and then I'll put the servos on next week, and then I'll get it up and ready and packed. So I hope you like that, and there she is. Okay, hope you like that. See you next time.